this track. Best, still the best, I ain't never scared. Never scared. Let's go. My 808 low in the back. Now watch me go hard on this track. Best, still the best, I ain't never scared. Never scared. Kicks on the side, all we do is whippin' nae when we blazing Mariah. When we bounce in ATL, when we ball in the dirty, when we bossin' in the Midwest, purple haze flurries. We be forever grimy, glamorize this ghetto with them beats and rims shiny, and we ride slow, floss with this Jigga man. Stacks of hundreds in my hand. Yes sir. We be for aim is what I'm saying. Take it over, that's my plan. Get 'em, got beef in the streets. Suckers wanna battle me, got my heat, bring your heat, spark this up, slap these freaks. Run this young, wild and free. Look at 'em trying to watch it fail to understand me. Dangerous, I'm like an overdose, built from the best of the best, yeah, so I boast. Run, boy, run, better head for the hills. Tuck your tail between your legs, go ahead, recheck your skills. I ain't never scared, that's just me, that's how I feel. When you see me, yo, it's on, yeah, just got real. I ride in the fast lane, I teach the game how to change. I got my needle to the limit. Running like they trying to come and get me. Pull out so I stay ahead. No competition, untouchable. I'm like the Fed. I'm always listening, hearing what you say, but it just don't mean enough. You gotta get to where I've been, but you're trying to talk tough. I set up sharp on this killer track. I keep it 808 low in the back. Ball beat designer tracks flying off the rack. Going multi-platinum, it's a matter of fact.